Hello, my name is Jill Roderick and I teach kindergarten at McDowell Elementary. Today I would like to talk to you about the concept of using the 10 frames of adding. Here you can see I have a representation of a number sentence that has a missing addend. An addend is the number that you are going to be adding to another number. For example, I have 3 plus what number equals 10. The students will then visually be able to use their 10 frame to figure out what is this missing addend. So as you can see here, I'm going to keep up this number sentence. This is something that I model for our students so that they can see the missing addend here, and they're visually going to be using manipulatives to start with that first addend, which is 3. So I am using 3 dots here. Now we need to figure out what is that missing addend, using manipulatives to fill in the remaining spaces. All right, so the 10 frame is complete. You can see I started with 3 red dots plus 7 yellow dots to get the sum of 10. All right. Again, you can see this time I have a number sentence. The missing addend is the first number this time. So how do students do this? Again, we model this for them so that they can see. So I'm going to start with the second number and fill that in on my 10 frame. What number plus 5 equals 10? So I'm going to start with 5. Half of my 10 frame is 5. Then I can visually see what number is going to equal my missing addend. And visually for students, they can see that 1/2 of their 10 frame is filled in. They filled in the other 10 frame without having to count all the individual spaces. They can answer 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here's another example of a missing addend. We have 8 plus what number equals 10 or makes 10. So here I go. I would model this for my students, starting with 8. So I will go ahead and fill in 8 on my 10 frame. Visually leaving 2 spaces left. My students would be able to answer 8 plus 2 equals 10.